Hey guys, welcome back to my crazy big black family on YouTube. And if you're new on this video and you're new on this vlog, please don't forget, subscribe to this video. Today's a cooking video, and today is a cooking tutorial. Not so much cooking, but cooking tips in the kitchen. So if you want to find a way of how to make your chicken, and I'm using chicken legs today as my demonstration. You want to find out, these are still little, cold. I just got them out the pack. But if you want to find a way to make your chicken a little less, let me retract that. If you want to make your chicken more healthier, the best way to do is to take the skin off of your chicken. So by saying that, I mean, so when you get your chicken, it always comes with the chicken, unless you get skinless chicken, like the skin around. And this is what they call the fat. This is what if you're trying to, catch, take a look at your weight or watch your weight, you don't want to have this on there. You want to have it skinless. So in order to make your chicken skinless, watch out, darling. You don't, you take your skin off of the chicken, and that literally reduces your calories and everything else. Now, you can pay more money to buy skinless chicken, or you can actually just make your chicken skinless. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this chicken, and if you see, it's already a piece already flapped off. I'm going to take my knife, and I'm just going to peel it back some. Now, you can also do this if you wanted to make like lollipop chicken. Like you could take the small chicken legs, make lollipop chicken, little lollipops and things like that. And always you do is you pull the skin back like this.
Mom,
so what?
Daddy, I want lollipop chicken.
Okay, baby. Well, right now I'm just showing them how to cut the skin off. So what we're gonna do is if you notice, you'll get to a pot right here, and you'll just pull. Watch your hand, baby. Watch your hand. No, you'll just pull that skin off just like that. My hands, watch your hands. When your hand, don't touch this meat. But you got your hands have to be, this meat is dirty, so you want to, and you took that last piece off, and look at that. There's your chicken like that. Completely took the skin off. Let's use another piece, and look at that. It automatically reduces the calories on this chicken by taking off that skin. So, and that's just a little cooking tip in the kitchen if you wanted to know that, how you how do they take the chicken skin off? And depending upon whatever kind of chicken piece you have, you just follow where there's a little piece of flat back, and there's always a little extra piece, and sometimes you could just pull it all the way down. You don't even need your knife. But my hands are a little cold.
I can do it, Jeremy.
Wait a minute, baby. Well, this I don't want you doing, because let me go wash my hands, guys. 1 second.